Welcome, kids! Meet Ollie the Owl, ready to explore numbers with you. Let's count from 1 to 10 together. 1, 2, 3, up to 10. Look around. Ollie finds 1 sun, 2 clouds, and 3 flowers. Numbers are everywhere, helping us understand and organize our world. See Ollie measure a tree's height using numbers. Numbers help us measure. Now, let's count the apples in the basket. How many do you see? Ollie spots 4 birds on a branch. Numbers help us notice and identify things. Counting helps Ollie share snacks equally with friends. Numbers make sharing fair. Numbers guide Ollie through his day, from waking up at 7 to bedtime at 8. Great job exploring numbers with Ollie. Keep counting and learning every day.